Good morning, good morning, guys. Super early again this morning. Yeah, so yesterday wasn't a very busy day. Did some work at the salon and came home, did some editing. Still didn't get that video out yesterday, guys. So I'm heading out to the salon now. When I get back, I'm gonna finish it up and upload the yesterday's footage. Now, I got some good news yesterday. We got the site plans for the gas station, so now I could send it to the county. The county was waiting on that site plan in order to move forward. They said that's the only thing that's holding it up now. They just need that site plan to show an existing sewer to tie our grease trap to. So, might sound confusing, but for those who understand knows what I'm talking about. Now, we putting in a grease trap at Pepper's project for the restaurant. So now plans are being reviewed by the city, by the county, and then they said everything is good as far as the plans that we turned in and everything, except for that one thing. So I got the plans over to the architect, the site plan over to the architect yesterday. So he's gonna send that into the county yesterday. He should have done it yesterday. So we're just now waiting for them to say, hey, plans are approved. Once they're approved, I could take them to the city of Swanee. I said this before in the videos before, but for people who are watching right now, that's where we're at with it. So once we get it over to the Swanee, they could issue a permit for us to start building. Right? So yeah, we're on it. I'm heading over to the salon now to start. We have a daily rental over there, so I gotta put some codes in. So I'm gonna head over there. It's early right now, guys. The sun, nothing is even out yet. It's like 6:15 in the morning. See, it's dark right there. It's absolutely dark. Sun is barely coming out, but for now it's dark. So yeah, not even the birds wake up yet, guys. So I'm just gonna head over there, clean up real quick, put some codes in, come back and do some editing. I'm still on the hunt for some door frames. I got some doors, but I didn't get the door frames, so I'm gonna figure out how to make those work. These doors are a bit shorter, so I don't think I could make them work. Yeah, I'm gonna figure something. I'm gonna put some thought into it. The door, what I'm talking about is the doors I've been trying to get for the Peppers project. The doors I got was a little bit shorter than the frame, and there was door handle holes that's pre-cut into them. It doesn't line up with the frame. So this is what I'm talking about. So let's say we have the door right here. Those metal frames that I'm trying to get for the door. This part on the frame is right here. So I would have to cut another hole in order to make it fit. However, door frames are much longer than the door itself, so we would have to probably cut those door frames to get it to work. Anyhow, I'm gonna search around for some doors. I need 2 doors for that project. I have to figure out the ceiling tiles as well. I could pick up the ceiling tiles in the meantime. There's a bunch of things I could pick up in the meantime, so I'm gonna see if I could get in those items. Alright, so I'm heading to the salon. Stay tuned. Water is bubbling. Alright guys, so we here. We at the salon. No one's here yet. Marlowe's is empty, no workers. Just brunch. I believe someone is over there. But I'm at the salon suite. So let's see what's going on. There's no one here yet. So let me do a little walkthrough, see how it is. A little bit of here. A little bit of here right there. A little bit of here right there. A little bit of here in the front. It's just not that bad. It's pretty clean. It's pretty clean. We got this room, daily rental. That small room right there, that room is going to be rented today. So I'm going to program the code in that door right now. That way, we, just in case they come early. I don't think they're coming this early, 6 in the morning, after 6, but just in case. So this is bathroom, pretty clean. See, like, it's pretty clean. Just a little bit of hair on the floor right there. I'm gonna end up just cleaning and mopping, vacuum the hair out of here and then mopping it. So overall it's pretty clean in here. It's just gonna take me like 15 minutes. Washer and dryer, no one used it yesterday. I know when they use it because there's fingerprints on it normally after use. So there's no fingerprints. I'm guessing no one used it yesterday. I'm gonna vacuum this mat, vacuum the front mat, vacuum the hallway, clean the bathroom, program the codes. That's what I'm gonna do, and then I'm gonna head out. The lights are not on yet. AC not on yet. It's kind of early, so our AC comes on at 8 in the morning. So AC is still not on yet. So, so yeah, guys. Give me a few. I'm gonna get cleaning. Program the code first thing, just in case that person comes in early. So. So give me a few, guys. I'm gonna get this ball rolling. Alright guys, so I'm done with the salon. Programmed the code. Did a quick clean. Took some pictures so I could post some stuff on the interwebs. So now I'm gonna head out. I'm gonna do some video editing. I have that trailer at the house to clean out, so I'm probably gonna attack that today and get started and, you know, try and clean it up a little bit, pack up the stuff that's in there and throw out. I need to check this mailbox, guys. I didn't bring the keys though. But yeah, I'm going to clean out the trailer. As this place still haven't opened yet. They're still hiring, I think. And then I got the vape. They got the vape shop right there opening up. They got the ice cream shop supposed to be coming there, and that one in the end is vacant. But they soon, you know, I guess they're working on permits just like us, guys. There's a restaurant opening up, but it's a lot when it comes to permits, guys. It's just crazy. So they've been working on that for months now, probably 8-9 months, probably 10 months. It says no hiring now, so I hope they're getting through with their, you know, paperwork and everything. But yeah, we're here. It's now after 7. Didn't take us too long. After 7, so I'm gonna head back over to the house and get some video edited. So let's get to it, guys. Alright guys, so I'm home and I have to go feed my birds, guys. It's still early. It's probably like 7:38, or I think it's like 8 o'clock to be honest. And yeah, my shoes. Yeah. So they normally get up this time and eat around 7 o'clock in the morning. They'll be out there. So let me go get the bird feeder. Bring it over here. You could hear them. Yeah, see, it's empty. A few seeds left. So, alright, so let me bring it over here, fill it up with feeding, and then to put it back. Alright, give me a minute, guys. Let me get the feeding. So this is what I use right here. Feeding Frenzy, that's the name of it. From Walmart. They seem to love it because they be rushing this thing every day. It lasts, this amount that I put in there lasts pretty much about 3-4 days, maybe 3 days. It depends, because the other day I saw the blackbirds. A lot of them came down, and see, there's one coming right there. He trying to get some food. I don't know if you could see him. He just flew over. Yeah. So a lot of blackbirds was over here. They all swarmed it and ate everything out. Sometimes the squirrel come and knock it over, you know. So just depends. If it's the regular birds, it'll last for about 4 days, 3-4 days. But if the squirrels knock it over or blackbirds pass through, it's a lot of them, so they'll come and just and make a mess, and everything ends up on the floor. But yeah, Feeding Frenzy is what I use. Anybody who has a backyard and want to set up a little bird feeder, the bird feeder is pretty cheap. I think it was like $10 or something like that. So I paid for the bird feeder, and then these are like $5-6 or something like that for the thing. They're all in Walmart in the garden section in the back where they have the bird stuff. Yeah, that's it. I got Smokey over there, and I got the trailer. So I backed it up because I'm gonna start taking stuff to throw out. Anything I'm gonna throw out, I'm just gonna throw it in the back of the truck and take it to the dumpster. But yeah, bird feeders right there. They'll come down and start eating. Every now and then you'll see them. Earlier in the morning time, a lot of them will be over there. They eat in the morning time and they eat in the evening time. So they don't, in the daytime, 1 and 2, not much, but mostly morning they eat. Mornings and evening, like early evening, they'll eat like around 4 or 5 o'clock, 6 o'clock, and then they'll I guess they go and hide somewhere and sleep or something. I noticed they eat early morning, 7, anywhere between 7 when the sun rises and 8. I would say maybe between 6:30 when the sun is coming out to 9 they eat. After that, you hardly see them. You hear them, but you won't see them. I guess that's they only have breakfast and dinner. They eat 2 times a day. So yeah, I'm here. I got some videos uploading, footages uploading, and I'm watching some YouTube. So this guy's fishing. He got some nice size catch right there. So yeah, at this point I'm done with the salon. I'm done with I'm waiting on the Pepper's project plans to be approved. It's already in, so I'm just waiting now on what they say. Hopefully everything is good and they could stamp it and I could take it to the next step. Yeah, in the meantime, I'm gonna search for some, while I'm editing yesterday's video and today's video uploading, I'm gonna start searching for stuff, items like, like the oven. I still haven't bought the oven, the refrigerators. I still haven't got that door frame. The ceiling tiles, I'm gonna purchase those. I just don't have anywhere to put them, so I'll probably just wait a little bit on those before I buy those. The company that sells them, they're not too far from me, so I could pick those up anytime. But yeah, today is not much to do on the outside apart from cleaning out that trailer. So we'll get some footages there. So stay tuned, guys. I'm working on these edits right now.